What is up, everybody? Today we're gonna go ahead and get Chow's suspension finished up. We were expecting the tension rod brackets yesterday, but they are on their way here right now. So we're gonna go ahead and get this front end apart. Basically, we just gotta take the coils out, we gotta take the tension rods off, and get those old bent brackets out of the car. So, while Chow's messing around over there with his trunk.
Yeah,
hold on, simulate it. We'll ask the subscribers. Hold on, when his trunk is fully closed, go ahead, wiggle it around. There's a little bit of play, as you can see right there. There's like less than an 1/8 inch of play, and I guess that's enough to bother Chow while he's driving.
It's bother everyone.
I mean, I don't really give a shit, but it's your car, man. So if anyone's got a solution for this, I'm not really sure what the solution even would be, but
I need to remove these open.
I know Tony from Kuro, on his S14, his trunk is held on by those like bumper quick release ties.
So that's the rule, right? Do not go low on the front.
You're gonna have to run these in the front.
Oh god, that's so fucked.
We don't have tires, mate. So after further inspection, these brakes are a little bit crusty. The pads definitely need to be replaced. So we're about to take a trip to AutoZone, grab some pads. There's always little fender benders on this road. Alright, they did not have them in stock, so we have to come back tomorrow morning for them. Oh shit! Oh shit!
Yeah, could you transfer?
I got some tin. Rusty and half round bolts to go.
Heating it works good though.
It was pretty good.
Yeah.
How do you say it? Tin, tun,
Teen, I think. I don't even know. Everyone says it a little different. So now we're getting the tension rod bracket unbolted. So you got to drop the little sway bar bracket right there. There's two. There's one there, and then there's one in the back of that, and then there's one big one like behind this piece of metal. But as you can see, the one on the car is extremely mangled. It's all bent up. Doesn't even line up with any of the stuff anymore, but we got a new set on its way. Should be here in like 20 minutes. So, as you can see, this tension rod bracket has seen better days. It's all kind of mangled up, and it's definitely pinched and bent in a bunch of spots, but good thing we got new ones. Working on getting the passenger side tension rod bracket out now. And our parts have arrived.
Bunch of junk in here, man.
Bam. Intact.
And all the bolts and stuff for them as well.
Sweet blue intercooler, dude.
Some junk.
I love how there's like a turbo back here. Let's go ahead and get these new ones in. Those are the new ones. This is mangled passenger side. As you can see, it's... Look at it from this way. Look at this big ass pinch, bulge, pinched up here too. See, now that the tension rod brackets aren't bent and mangled, they actually line up with the holes properly. So just gonna go ahead and get everything installed real quick. All right, everything's tight down there. Gonna go ahead, get these new coils in. We got to just kind of get the ride height dialed in, since we're gonna be using those 275s The front's gonna have to be a little bit higher. It's gonna look like my old S14 a little bit until we could get tires or get overs, and then we'll be able to bring the height back down. But for now, it's gonna have to sit a little bit higher than we'd like. Now time for the fun part of trial and error 100 times to get the ride height perfect. But on the bright side, Chow, you'll never understeer with these meats up front. Alright, so we decided to use the wheels that I previously had on the rear of the Genesis. The tires are spanked, but they fit really nicely in the fender, and they don't, like, we put the 275s on, and they were so far out that when you turn, it hit here every single time. So we had to put a smaller wheel and tire on there, and that is pretty aggressive still, but still works really good. So we're gonna go ahead, get this thing on the ground, see what it looks like now. Nice. The black looks weird though. Black exterior with black wheels does not look good. So this is about it for the night. We're gonna go ahead and pick this video back up tomorrow, but Car has brought us some extra goodies that we're gonna show you right now. Really? Okay. Boom. Got some skirts. So in tomorrow's video, not tomorrow's video I should say, in the next clip, which will be tomorrow, we're gonna go ahead and get the body kit on and see how it looks. So that should be fun and exciting. Oh, Chow's already making some test fits. So this is what we have. I know I said the next clip was gonna be the next day, but it's not. We wanted to see what it looked like.
It's not that bad.
Next day, out here picking up these Z32 brake pads. So for those of you guys that didn't know, this car came with the Z32 brake upgrade, and yeah, we're gonna change the pads out because they're destroyed. They're not destroyed, but you can see they're not really doing much, and they're super thin. Nice.
Oh, disgusting.
A little bit crusty, but they work, and they work good. So we got these old cooked pads out of here. Let me show you one of these. So there's still a little bit of meat on these, but definitely not good. We don't have a C-clamp to squeeze these back in, so we're gonna quickly go pick up a C-clamp.
What are you doing? Can you play it though?
This side's all good. Getting started on this side.
Is that all the clips?
Shit. This is out. We're late, boys.
Alright, we're gonna go ahead and attach the body kit now, see what it looks like.
You got yours up?
Yep.
Looks pretty good.
Fits good.
For a VIS kit, this fits really good.
Alright, bumper is mounted with our handy dandy zip ties. It's on there. It's pretty good for just for kind of zip tying it.
The side skirt looks like, but it's not.
Yeah, we gotta trim it right there. So we're gonna quickly run to Lowe's and grab some self tappers to get the skirt on. Zip ties for the front bumper, self tappers for the skirt. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and get the rear fitted up now. Right away, we're definitely gonna have to trim it. This whole lip here has to come off. So we're gonna have to trim that and make this line flat so that it sits up on the over fender real nice. So we're gonna have to trim this a little bit too. Definitely this corner. So we'll do that first. Chow's trimming it. All right, so first go at it, Chow got it pretty damn good. It's a little bit wavy, as you can see there, so we're just gonna pull it off and then clean the edge up. Or hold that flat down there, yeah. So you can see it fits really nice when that edge is cut off like that. So we're just gonna go ahead, flatten this side out, get the other side trimmed, and then we're gonna mount this bumper on the rear. So we got the back mounted. Right there you could see the zip tie for ease of use. Looks really nice. All right, so it's getting pretty late. Got the entire body kit installed. Look at this ghost. Nice white hair.
I know, I look like a mess right now. I'm K-pop. Hope you guys enjoyed this episode. Tag it with zip tie only. All the kit are pretty much with zip ties, except for the side skirt because
We got one self tapper.
yeah. But pretty much we have bars for it, so we have to take it out, put something on it, then put the front and rear body kit back on with more secure bumper support.
Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Definitely stick around because the next few videos from down south here in Florida will be awesome. We got some stuff cooking up for this thing, but I got some stuff cooking up for this, which I'm gonna get done real soon. You guys will see that. So yes, this needs to start and run. So
The plan is to be done by
when?
sleigh ride.